In this video, we're going to look into where to find your client credentials and facility ID to link Tandem Connect and Tandem together. Tandem Connect enables users to enhance their digital twins by integrating data from mission-critical systems into their Tandem environment. Now, this is done by creating pipelines in the Tandem Connect Platform console, where plugins can be configured to communicate with those different systems. But in order for that data to be sent to Tandem, however, a plugin called the Tandem Connector needs to be enabled. This plugin requires specific authentication credentials and the ID of the Tandem facility where the data will be sent. So looking at this plugin, those fields would be the client ID, the client secret, and the facility ID. Let's start with finding the facility ID. To do this, we need to load up our Tandem environment, which I've done here. And in the URL at the top, the facility ID starts with URN and continues all the way to the end or to the next backslash. So I would copy this facility ID and within my Autodesk Tandem connector, paste that into the facility ID field. Next, I need to gather the client ID and the client secret. Both of these can be gathered from the Autodesk Platform Services website, so the aps.autodesk.com website. Once you go here and log in, you can click Go to My Apps. You may need to create an application if you've never done it before. When you do that, you can give it a name and then select Traditional Web App and hit Create. Once that's created, you will notice near the top that client credentials and a secret have been created for you. The other thing to check is to make sure that under API access that the Tandem data API is checked. So I'm going to copy this client ID and paste it into our client ID field, and I'm going to do the same with secret. Lastly, before I deploy, I'm going to also need to make sure that our Tandem environment understands and can communicate with the connection that is being fed to it. And to do that, we have to copy our client ID or our API key here and go to our Tandem environment. And then under users, we need to add the API key. So I'm going to copy that client ID in here. And I'm going to make sure that my permission is set to manage, and I will add that. Now I can go back to our Tandem Connect environment, save this, and deploy our solution to now start sending data to Tandem from the connection we set up. Now that our pipeline is deployed, I can go to our Tandem environment, and on the left-hand side under connections, I now see stream data coming in from that pipeline that I can now classify and start to link to my model. So this is how you would find and set up your client credentials and facility ID in Tandem Connect in order to send data to Tandem.